Welcome to Traveller's Book. Have you ever dreamed of studying in the UK? Well, you're not alone. The United Kingdom has always lured the dreamers, and it's a place where knowledge thrives, where culture flourishes at every corner, and where opportunities lie at every turn. From globally acclaimed universities to the profound history and eclectic culture, the UK presents an educational journey that goes beyond the confines of the classroom. It's not solely about education, but about embedding yourself in a society that commends innovation, creativity, and diversity. This aspiration, however grandiose it may seem, is completely attainable. With a distinct vision, a sprinkle of determination, and the right strategy, you can convert it into your reality. Do you transform this dream into reality? It commences with obtaining a student visa. First things first. What is a student visa and why do you need one? Well, a student visa is a type of endorsement issued by the government of the United Kingdom, permitting foreign students to study in the UK. Think of it as your golden ticket to pursuing your dreams in this country of rich history and remarkable educational institutions. You need one because it's a legal requirement for international students. Without it, you're like a car without fuel. You simply can't move forward. But who can apply for it? It's open to students from across the globe who have received an offer to study at a UK institution and meet certain eligibility criteria. This includes proof of financial sustainability, English language proficiency, and more. Remember, it's not just a piece of paper, but a passport to a world of opportunities. Now that we understand what a student visa is, let's dive into the process of getting one. Applying for a student visa might seem daunting, but with a step-by-step guide, it's a breeze. Let's start with the first step of the application process. You'll need to gather your necessary documents. This typically includes your passport, proof of financial support, and a confirmation of acceptance from a UK university. Ensure all your documents are up to date and accurate. Nothing slows down an application like a missing or incorrect document. The second step is completing the application form. This is where you'll provide your personal details, information about your course, and specifics about your financial situation. Remember, honesty is the best policy. Any discrepancies in your application can lead to delays or even denial of your visa. Next comes the application fees. The cost of a student visa application may vary, but it's usually around £350. Don't forget to budget for this, as it's a necessary part of the process. You can pay these fees online when you submit your application. Now let's talk about timelines. The UK visa application process can take up to 3 months, so it's crucial to start early. The sooner you apply, the sooner you can start packing your bags for your UK adventure. Finally, submit your application. You can do this online following the instructions provided on the UK government's website. After submitting, you'll be asked to provide biometrics at a visa application centre. This includes a photograph and fingerprints. And then comes the waiting game. While waiting for your visa application to be processed, it's a good idea to start preparing for your journey. Look into accommodation options, research the local culture, and maybe even start learning some British slang. Remember, the application process is just a stepping stone on your journey to studying in the UK. It might seem tedious and overwhelming, but every step you take brings you closer to your dream. Once your application is in, it's time to prepare for the next steps. Application submitted, but what comes next? Well, let's dive into that. After you've sent off your application, there's a bit of a waiting game. The processing times can vary, but typically you can expect a response within 3 weeks. Now, during this period, you might be called in for an interview. Don't worry, it's a standard procedure and it's just to verify your intentions of studying in the UK. Be ready to answer questions about your course, your university, and your plans after graduation. Once the interview is done and your application is approved, it's time for the most exciting part, receiving your visa. It's a moment filled with relief and anticipation, as it's the final step before you can pack your bags and jet off. With your visa in hand, you're just about ready to embark on your UK study adventure. So hang in there, because the adventure of a lifetime is just around the corner. Visa sorted now, onto the final preparations. First things first, packing. No need to bring your entire wardrobe. Remember, the UK weather is notoriously fickle, so pack layers. Also, don't forget your important documents. Next, organize your accommodation. Whether it's a dorm, private apartment, or a shared house, make sure it's sorted before your arrival. Now on to travel. Book your flight well in advance to get the best deals. Upon landing, it's common to feel a mix of excitement and apprehension. Welcome to the UK. You'll likely start a trip through customs and immigration, so have your passport and visa documents ready. Once you've settled in, take a moment to breathe. The journey might be tiring, but remember, it's the beginning of a great adventure. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to your dream of studying in the UK a reality. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Traveller's Book for more content. That's it for our guide on the UK student visa route in 2024. We hope this comprehensive guide has shed light on the process and helped you prepare for your exciting journey. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Traveller's Book for more content. Your support keeps us going. We also encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We love hearing from you, and your insights might help other students on their journey. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, safe travels and best of luck with your studies in the Traveller's Book.